back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
By Owens with 2 laps to go. Down the back stretch with about a 3-car length lead now is Johnson. Dustin Owens drives in, trying to make up ground at the white flag. It is Johnson, followed by Owens and Lambert. Down the back stretch for the final time, now stretching it out to a 5-car length lead is the number 9 of Johnson. As they come to the checkered flag, it's Johnson, your winner, followed by Owens and Lambert. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to your winner, driving the number 9F from Olive Hill, Kentucky, Gunnar Johnson. Congratulations to that 9F team of Gunnar Johnson, and congratulations to the number D14 of Dustin Owens, as they ran a fairly clean race there, as they raced side by side for many of those laps there in that 4-cylinder feature. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for your winner, the number 9F of Gunnar Johnson. And once again, folks, don't go away. We still got a Crown Vic feature to go and fireworks after that Crown Vic feature. So we're going to have a big fireworks show here after this final feature. And looks like lose some fluid loss. It might have been timely that the race ended there for Johnson, as it looks like he's losing some radiator fluid there. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Gunnar Johnson, tonight's 4-cylinder feature winner.